Welcome back to the Online Pastry School's YouTube channel, where we're going to answer all your questions about baking weekly. So today I'm going to talk a little bit about bloom. So that's just when you get pesky little white dots on your chocolate after you've made garnishes or chocolate bars that completely ruins your day. So bloom can be one of two things, so sugar bloom or fat bloom. So fat bloom is the most common reason that chocolate gets ruined, and it's caused by the chocolate not being tempered properly. So if you've not heard the tempering before, then check out some of the other videos on our channel. But if you haven't heard tempering, then this is definitely not the reason. This is definitely the reason your chocolate is blooming. So during tempering chocolate, you heat your chocolate up to melt the fat crystals, and then reform them by cooling the chocolate while keeping it moving, so that the fat crystals can reform into stronger structures. So when you don't cool the chocolate enough before you use it, the fat crystals haven't set enough, so they rise to the top of the chocolate and then harden on the surface. It can also happen when you temper something perfectly, but then leave it in a warm place, and then the chocolate kind of melts a little bit again and then resets. And the racks under the oven are really not a good place to store chocolate, as I've learned many times. Sugar bloom looks really similar, but the difference is sugar bloom normally happens when you take well-tempered chocolate and you leave it in a place that's humid, like the fridge. Like fridge chocolate, big no-no. So what happens is that the sugar in the chocolate dissolves and rises to the top before recrystallizing. It will look similar to fat bloom, but you can tell the difference by rubbing it. If it's smooth, it's fat bloom, and if it's rough, it's sugar bloom. And both of them will cause the chocolate to melt easily, to be soft and horrible. So just temper your chocolate properly, and to remember to store it in a really cool, dry place. But at least then, if you know how to tell the difference, you can then work out what the solution is. So I think that's it. Fat bloom and sugar bloom. If you want to check out more videos like this, then don't forget to subscribe. But if you want the real juicy stuff like recipes, online lessons, then just click the link below in the description, and I'll hopefully see you there.